So today I'm going to walk you through the process of how I got my network connections, my services, and how I created the daily tasks for my computer restart. So first of all, I decided to get the available connections in my computer, and as you can see, these are the available connections in my computer. Now I decided to select the port 53 and port 139. Now the port 53, which I want to show you right now. Yeah, port 53 with the IP address 172.31.29.223, and only process of 2904. The port 53 is more like it's tag listening. It's what interprets the DNS of every network, the domain name service of every network to an IP address so that the computer can be able to understand. Now the port 139 with the same IP address is what is able to communicate or help my computer and other peripherals like the printer that is connected to my computer communicate. So it's more like the peripheral connector, the network that detects, sorry, the port that is able to detect the network, the peripheral connection between my computer and the printer or an outside device. Now, next, I also decided to check the kind of services that are working, and I was more focused on remote services because what I'm doing is remote. So I'm looking at the term service, and in the term service, sorry, I first of all looked at the Windows Defense Firewall. Now the Windows Defense Firewall controls the kind of traffic that comes in and out of my computer, and I'm remotely, and I'm also looking at the term service. Now the term service is what allows, like it says, remote desktop service, what allows my computer to be connected to other devices or remotely in a virtualization process. Yeah, so after I created a firewall rule for inbound and outbound traffics, and so I allowed that for port 5000 as indicated in the instructions earlier. So yeah, so this rule is for inbound protocols, and this rule down here is for outbound. I also try to disable, get the rule to see if it is verified. As you can see, it is enabled. It is true for inbound. It is also true for outbound, which is enabled. Now, what I decided to do is to disable it after checking. I disabled both firewall rules for outbound and inbound plus 5000, and then I enabled it as well. Now, after I was done, I decided to go in and create the daily tags on Windows computer restart and Windows update. Sorry, and so as you can see, I've already created the basic tags for Windows updates, and this is the tags. Yeah, these are the properties of the tags. You can see the trigger every day by this time. And this is the action, and then yeah, basically that is it. Thank you very much for your attention.